The Indecent Representation of Women, Prohibition, Act, 1986 in India prohibits the depiction of women in ways that are degrading, humiliating, or that promote harmful stereotypes. This law, which applies to media and advertising, aims to protect women's dignity and prevent their objectification. Violations can result in penalties, including imprisonment and fines. Key aspects of the Act. 1. Prohibition. The Act bans the publication, distribution, or exhibition of materials that indecently represent women. 2. Scope. This includes advertisements, publications, writings, paintings, and any other form of visual representation. 3. Definition of indecent representation. It refers to any depiction that degrades, denigrates, or is likely to corrupt public morality. 4. Penalties. Violations can lead to imprisonment, up to 2 years for a first offense and up to 5 years for repeat offenses, and fines. And 5. Enforcement. The law allows for seizure of prohibited materials and empowers designated officials to investigate and take action. Landmark cases. Ranjit Udeshi vs. State of Maharashtra, 1965. While this case predates the 1986 Act, it established the legal framework for obscenity, using the Hicklin test to assess whether material could corrupt susceptible minds. Avik Sarkar vs. State of West Bengal, 2014. This case moved away from the Hicklin test, adopting the Community Standards test, which assesses obscenity based on contemporary community standards. Purpose. The Act aims to protect women's dignity and prevent their portrayal in a way that perpetuates harmful stereotypes, promotes inequality, and contributes to their objectification. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment.